Let's break out some recovery gear. I got this little Jeep bag that came with the Jeep, kind of all full of stuff. Got this soft shackle to keep it in place. We got straps. Got this loopy sling. We got a couple of snatch blocks hooked into this this little thing, whatever this is. And then this came with the Jeep too. That has a big long tow strap in it. And so I like to keep this stuff in here in case we get in trouble. I'm going to do these 8-inch shackles. Just get this stuff out of here. Pull this out. Got all these goodies in here. The shovel sits back in there. Let's get set up to pull this out.